Hi, I'm Saskia, and I'll be talking about more advanced functionality in REDCap, which could help you when collecting data for research purposes, such as clinical trials or longitudinal studies. In this video, I will show you how to create and run data quality checks in REDCap. Data quality is very important to research, as you want to be sure that the data you are analysing is accurate and will not give erroneous results. A data quality check allows you to check if the data entered into your REDCap project is not accurate or is missing, according to the rules you set. There are also some inbuilt rules in REDCap that you can use to check for things such as blank values, values outside of a set range, and invalid values. Open your project and go to the Data Quality link in the Applications section of the left-hand side menu. You can now see a list of default data quality rules which you can execute on your data. If the inbuilt rules do not do the data quality checks you need for your project, you can create your own rules. You may want to check the difference between two dates, for example, to make sure the date of a second vaccine dose is not before the date of the first vaccine dose. To create your own rule, go to the bottom and add a descriptive name for your rule in the blank box in the rule name column. For example, first vaccine date after second vaccine date. Enter the logic for your rule in the blank box in the rule logic column. For example, date diff open brackets, open square brackets, vaccine first dose date, close square brackets, comma, open square brackets, vaccine second dose date, close square brackets, comma, lowercase d in double quotation marks, comma, true in all caps, close bracket, less than 0. This checks if the first vaccine date is after the second vaccine date. You'll be able to select your fields from a list once you start typing, and you'll be told if the logic in your rule is invalid. Click on the link below to access more information on how to use special functions such as date difference calculations and conditional if statements in your rule logic. Use the checkbox to indicate whether you want the rule to run in real time on your data collection forms. This means if a field violates a data quality rule, it shows an error in real time when entering data. You can also choose to execute data quality rules at any time if you do not want to run them in real time. When you are done, click Add on the left-hand side to create your new data quality rule. To execute all rules, use the All button at the top right of the Data Quality Rules box. To execute specific rules, use the Execute buttons on the right of the rows corresponding to the rule you wish to execute. When you press Execute, a red value will now appear in the Total Discrepancies column, highlighting the number of records that violate your rules, and you can click on View to find out the details of the discrepancies. A pop-up table will appear that shows the record number, the discrepant fields and values, a status column, and an exclusion column where you can stop the value appearing next time you run your data quality check. Please see the links to additional resources alongside this video in the description.